exercise 2.1 is based on the without formula. Without formula, in which we calculate interest year by year. It's clear? For calculating CI, we will calculate SI year by year. It is clear? For calculating CI, calculate SI year by year. Let SI year by year. It's clear? What is the formula of SI? It is equal to P into R into T upon 100. What is P? R, rate percent per annum. R is rate percent per annum. PA means per annum. Per annum means per year. It is clear? What is T? Time in years. In years. It is clear? If it is not in years, you will convert in year. So this is the formula of simple interest. It is clear? Now we will calculate SI year by year. So here time will be always 1. It's clear? Time will be always 1. Then we will find out the amount. Amount at end of year. That is equals to principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. It is clear? This point is clear? Now what is the difference between CI and SI? Who will tell? Sankalp. What is difference? So in simple interest, principal will remain same for whole time. It's clear? Principal will remain same for whole time. It's clear? Means, suppose you have to calculate simple interest for 3 years. Then the principal for 3 years will remain same. It is clear? But in CI, what will happen? Principal for each year will be different. It's clear? Will be different. Every year, principal will have some different value. And what is the principal for a year? It will be the amount of previous year. Principal for a year equals to amount for previous year. Means amount of any year will become the principal for next year. Suppose for first year amount is 1000. So what is the principal for second year? 1000.
1000.
Suppose amount for second year is rupees 1500. So what is the principal for third year?
So 1500.
I suggest. What is the principal for first year? It will be the original sum. Principal for first year is always original sum. Principal for first year equals to original sum. It will be equal to original sum. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. So formula of amount already I have told. Now I will take the question one by one, and then you will see here. So I am going to solve the question. It is clear? So see here, you see question number 2. Question number 2. A man invests rupees 46,000. Now all of you wait for a minute, and those who so see here, a man invests rupees 46,875. 46,875. This is the original sum. Therefore, it will be denoted by P. It's clear. Rate is given 4% per annum. 4% per annum. And total time is how much? Total time is 3 years. You have to calculate the interest for first year. So interest for first year you have to calculate. For first year. So see here, as already I have told that what will be the interest, what will be the principal for a year, what is the principal for a year, क्या होगा हमने बताया था principal for a year क्या होता है. Principal for the first year will be the original sum. Principal for the first year is original sum. So what is principal for first year? P1. It is equals to original sum, that is rupees 46875. It's clear. So what is interest? Interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. क्या हो जाएगा इंटरेस्ट का फार्मूला PRT upon 100. P is given how much?
46,875.
Rate is 4. Time is how much? It will be taken 1 or it will be taken 3. You have to find interest for the first year. So time will be 1 or it will be 3.
Sir, it will be 1.
Who will tell? It will be 1. क्यों? ये हरदम दिमाग में रखें. First year, second year, third year, fourth year means time is 1 year. But when you are saying 2 years, then time will be 2. 3 years, time will be 3. 4 years, time will be 4. This point is clear? So see here, PRT upon 100. So you calculate it. 46875 into 4. So this is rupees 1875. How much? 1875. आया समझे? कितना आ गया? 1875. Then you have to find the amount standing to his credit at the end of second year. तो देख लो, हम तुमको बता दें इसका एल्गोरिथम क्या है, कैसे किया जाएगा. P1, then you will calculate I1. When you will add both, what will you get? A1. A1. It is clear. Now this will become for the second year P2. A1 will become P2. Then once again you will calculate I2. And when you will add both, what will you get? P2 plus I2 will be the amount of second year. Amount at the end of second year. हमको ये कैलकुलेट करना है और हैं हम कहां पर अभी? यहां पर I1 पर है. समझ में आया ना? This point is clear. So see here, amount at end of first year. What is the amount at the end of first year? So A1 equals to P1 plus I1. P1 is how much? 46875 plus 1800. So this will be equal to, you calculate this, 46875 plus, so it is 48675. It is clear? Now it will become principal for second year. Therefore, P2 is what? Second year principal. So it will be equal to A1. So 48675. Now SIFA, after this, what will you calculate? SIFA, इसके बाद क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे?
I2.
P2 तो मालूम हो गया.
I2.
I2. I2 is the interest of
Second year.
I2 is the interest of, so it is PRT upon 100. What is P? 48675. Rate how much? 4. Time is, what will be time?
Sir, 2.
1.
गलत, अभी बताया 1 upon 100. So this will be equals to into 4. So it is equals to rupees 1947. It is clear. So what is the amount standing? Amount standing to which credit at end of second year. It will be equal to 48675 plus 1947. So you calculate this. 7. So it will be rupees 5062. 50622. This will be the amount. It is clear? Now you have to find the interest of third year. Means क्या निकालना है? I3 निकालना. So this amount will become, ये जो amount है ये क्या हो जाएगा अगले ईयर के लिए? Principal. It will be the principal. It's clear? So see here, what is the principal for third year? Principal for third year. Principal for third year. So P3 will be equal to rupees how much? 50622. Therefore, interest for third year. Interest for third year. I3 equals to PRT upon 100. What is P? 50622. Rate is 4 time is 1 upon 100. So you calculate this. 50622 into 4. So this will be 2024. 80. It will be 80. Next question is question number 9. Find the amount and compound interest. Means you have to find amount at A and compound interest means CI. On rupees 2000 at 10% per annum for 2 whole 1/2 years. It's compounded annually. So on rupees 2000, so what is 2000? 2000 is what? It is
The principal.
principal. What is 10%?
Sir, 8.
It is 8. And what is this? This is the total time. It is the total time. We don't write it as T, we write it as total time. And why we write it as total time? Because we have to calculate year by year. So now see here, for first year, what is the principal for first year? Who will tell? फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है? ओरिजिनल सम के बराबर, दैट इज ₹1000. सो व्हाट इज इंटरेस्ट? इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर इक्वल्स टू PRT upon 100. P is 2000. Rate is how much?
10%.
Time is 1, क्योंकि हमने फर्स्ट ईयर का डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So this is cancelled. So it is equal to ₹200. Clear? After this, what will you find? Amount. Algorithm क्या करता है? P1, then I1, then A1. It is PIA. हर एक ईयर में PIA. So amount for first year. Amount that is P1 plus I1. What is P1 here? P1 is 2000, I1 is 200. So it is equals to 2000 plus 200. That is ₹2200. Now for second year, what will be principal?
Sir, 2200.
P2 equals to A1, that is 2200. So what is interest of second year? Who will tell? Second year. What is the formula? PRT upon 100. That is 2200. Is how much? Time is how
10.
much? 1 or 2?
1.
1 divided by 100. So it will be equal to ₹220. After this, what will you find?
You will find amount.
So amount end of second year. Second year. So 2200 plus 220. So this will be equals to how much? 0242. This. It is clear? Now it will become the principal for which year?
Third year.
For third year. Principal will become ₹2420. Now we will find out the interest of third year. So what is formula? PRT upon 100. What is P here? 2420. It is clear?
Yes.
Rate is how much? 4. But time is not 1. टाइम क्या है? 1 ही है. थर्ड ईयर में केवल कितना गया है? Only 1/2 years. It is clear? This point is clear? ये पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ? टाइम विल बी 1/2 divided by
Yes, sir.
this is cancelled to 1 ja 2 2 ja. So this will be equal to 484 upon 10. That is rupees 48.4. यही हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
So what will be amount? For third year, 2420 plus 48.4. So it is equals to ₹2468.4. गलत बोला था. 2468.4. It is clear?
Yes,
आपको
sir.
क्या फाइंड आउट करना था? अमाउंट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो यू राइट डाउन दैट.
यहाँ पे जो रेट है 10 होगा ना.
The rate is 10. Rate is not. This is, there is mistake here. You see here. You correct it. So to this and this will cancel. 0 will cancel. It is clear. And 2 1 ja 2 2 1 2 1. It is clear. 1 2 1. When you will add 1 to 1, what will you get? Rupees 2541. Sub 2541. So what will be the answer? You write down. Therefore, amount equals to rupees 2541. What is CI? Amount minus principal. This is equal to 2541 minus rupees 540. Now CI we can calculate by other way also. Or CI equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. What is I1? 200. I2 is 220 and I3 is 121. So rupees 541. This part is clear? बोले.
Yes, sir.
Now see the next question. So next question I am taking question number 15. You can see. Vikram borrowed rupees 20,000 from a bank at the rate of 10% per annum simple interest. Means from bank, Vikram has borrowed how much amount? 20,000. It is clear? This amount he had borrowed. And at what rate? Rate is 10%. Per annum simple interest. 10% SI. It is clear? Here rate is 10% simple interest. He lent it to his friend Venkat. It's clear. Vikram is giving this money to his friend Venkat. It is clear. He lent this money to his friend Venkat at the same rate, but 10% CI. It is clear. What is the time? Time is for the same time. For the same time. Time is given 2 whole 1 upon 2 year. Total time is 2 whole 1 upon 2 year. What is the original sum? 20,000. Find his gain after 2 whole 1 upon 2 years. So see here, all of you see. If we calculate the CI and SI, if we calculate CI and SI at the same rate for a